Welcome to another episode of Out of Spec Dave, where just yesterday I put up a video where I tried to fix the Tesla Model Y and the front bumper, but I didn't really do that good of a job. So I called in the pros from A1 Dent Tech. This is the mobile unit here. Dino is up here, drove up from Queens, and he's doing some surgery in there. So let's take a look at what he's doing, and hopefully we're gonna have a good result. And the last thing I wanna do is replace this whole bumper. So I think we're making major progress here. So let's just do a quick video today and see how the pros really do it. All right, so a number of you had mentioned that I didn't have to actually replace the whole bumper, which would involve, you know, taking the bumper, taking it to an auto body shop where they would have to buy a new bumper. They'd have to paint the new bumper, and then they would have to reinstall the new bumper. I mean, that's pretty involved. A lot of people who were watching my videos, which I want to thank you for, were saying, hey, get one of these dent repair guys. So I went on Yelp, and I saw a number of these companies, these dent repair companies, the Dent Guy, D-Dent's Professional, and I put an inquiry in, and I got a whole bunch of people that came back to me. A number of people said, oh, you're too far away, or, you know, I can't come today. And I figured, look, if I'm going to do this, I want to have someone come to the house and get it done right away. Now, there's a number of these companies. I ended up settling on this A1 Auto Technician, and really nice guy. Dino, it's his own little business. He's out of Queens, and you know, he actually texted me some pictures of work that he had done. Sort of, you know, you take a look at this before, and then you got, see what he does, and then after. Pretty good. I mean, so look, I took a shot, and I decided to give Dino a chance. He had a job earlier in the morning, and he came up. He was very communicative, and he came up exactly when he said he would come. So, look, I like it when people are hustling and they're trying to do it. He's not the only one, but what's nice to see is there's an alternative to taking your car to a body shop. I want to thank my viewers for pointing out this concept to me, because even though I spent $500 to get this done, and it's now really ultimately perfect, you know, it's a heck of a lot cheaper than having to go to a real body shop. Plus, the time that's involved. It came right to the house, so I'm happy. You can see I messed up probably with what I did.
Well, I know what you did, Dave. But honestly, like,
you're never gonna notice.
Dave had a good idea. His avenue toward it was not too off.
I showed him the video with the hairdryer.
Oh yeah,
but he's using a blowtorch. No, all right, so I've thrown in the towel here, and I've hired a professional. And he's going to do it right. This is Dino. Dino, you're from what company are you with?
We are with A1 Auto Technician.
A1 Auto Technician in Queens, New York. I'm not endorsing him yet until I see the finished product. But I've heard good things about him, and he came all the way up here to Connecticut from Queens, so I appreciate that. And you can see it's, you know, it's not perfect.
It's a high. We call it a high spot.
What do you call it?
A high spot.
High spot, okay.
We're going to just try and knock it down.
Yeah.
And just try and get it back to its original shape. That's it.
Gotcha.
Nothing too fancy over here.
All right. All right, so Dino is thinking that the metal inside may have pushed up, so he had to take the tub out, which is like what I did the other day. but it's definitely a little more involved. And he was thinking that the metal piece was pushing up a little bit on there. So, yeah, it's kind of interesting here. All right, he's making progress. He's doing it.
The truth is, you know, when you're working with the parts that you have already, it's never going to come out 100% perfect.
Of course.
Unless you
But
change the bumper.
that's pretty darn close to the naked eye.
It came out really nice.
Without my glasses, it looks perfect.
Well, these are not my cool guy glasses. These are my reading glasses. That's why I'm wearing them.
Wow.
With them, it makes me see better.
No, even with my glasses.
Kath, come and look at it from this angle too. It's.
I've been calling it the pimple. Like it.
I
actually
told a friend of mine, I said, I'm going to fix a pimple.
That's hysterical. That's what I've been
It's just,
calling
you
it.
can see, I messed up probably with what I did.
Well, I know what you did, Dave.
But
honestly, like
you're never
But
gonna
Dave
notice
had a good idea. His avenue toward it was not too off.
I showed him the video with the hairdryer.
Oh yeah, and so
But he's using a blowtorch.
No, I saw that. And so many of his viewers said, "Hey, Dave, try a little heat." So he did, to his credit.
I tried.
He did a little better, but you did a whole lot better.
My
Thank
pleasure.
you. I'm just.
We're just gonna pull the pieces back together, and we're pretty much ready to rock and roll.
All right.
I also did like a spot blend. I take care of a lot of little blemishes that was there already.
All right. Well, Dino, thank you very much. And if people want to get in touch with you, how do they find you?
You can find me on Yelp. My company name is A1 Auto Technician, but on Google, I'm A1 Dent Tech. My number is 917-500-9695. Call me, send me pictures. I'll give estimates. I'll do my best I can to help you. I do nothing but top quality with paint, paint correction, dent, PDR. You call me if I can do it.
And you're located where?
I'm based out in Queens, but I travel. You know, like right now, where are we? We're in Norwalk, Connecticut.
Yeah.
I came out like 40 miles, so
all right.
If you're not in Florida, I pretty much can come.
All right, well that's good. But you're lucky I'm not down in Florida because I'm down there a lot too. But this is terrific. Well, thanks again, Dino. I appreciate it. All right, so the bumper is, I would say, in great shape. Very happy, and you really can't tell at all. So look, I actually did help it, but I needed Dino to finish off the job. He had the right tools and the right approach, and of course the professional experience. I'm not unhappy that I tried it, but boy, that looks good now for sure. All right, well there you have it. He really did a great job. He's taken about an hour and a half of his time to really massage it in there and take it. Listen, $500, right? As opposed to buying a whole new bumper, having the bumper painted, and then, you know, especially on an earlier model. This is a 2023 where I don't have the sensors and all that, but you know, you got to be really careful with these Teslas that do have the sensors. This one doesn't, but even so, it would have been at least $2,500 to really replace the whole bumper, and it's you can't even see it now. It's a tiny little spot, and the paint is a little rippled from not where he did it. But you know what? I'm happy I did. We tried this out. Thanks again for watching another episode of Out of Spec Dave. Kathy's bumper, it's 99.99% back, and we're happy with that. So we'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.